Hi kitty cats. So today I'm gonna do a look with the Colourpop Truly Madly Deeply. And I'm gonna tell you the winner of the giveaway for this and the makeup eraser and the blender sponge and anything else I feel like throwing in extra and all that. So just keep watching. So I'm gonna use the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Prime and Lock Longwear Eyeshadow Primer. Just gonna blend that in with my finger. And then I'm gonna start doing a look with this. So I'm still waiting for the IV nurse to call me. I haven't heard from her. I'm gonna go right into matter of fact, because matter of fact, I have not heard from her. They said if I hadn't heard from her in 2 weeks to call the rheumatology clinic. So we will see what happens. But I've been in a lot of pain. Even right now, I am in some pain. And don't like it. It brings my energy down, and I hate to give you guys not my full amount of energy, you know? I want you guys to get the best from me. So I'm gonna go into these right here, Made to Last down here. I'm gonna go into the crease and a bit above the crease, as I like to say. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this brush here and I'm gonna go into Pretty Cruel. You're probably surprised I'm not going into the crease more, but I don't want to actually. I just want to go all over the lid and above the lid a bit. So, yeah, I'm not at my best, but I'm trying. Above it. I like to get in the corner a little bit here. I feel like we didn't get enough above it on this one. Then I'm gonna go back to the Matter of Fact, right up there. And just sort of soften right here so that we blend everything out. And it softens it a bit so that it's not like too much. Then I'm gonna take, if I can find what I'm looking for. There we go. See the teeny brush here. And I'm gonna go back into Pretty Cruel and just go all the way around underneath. Let's see. And then I'm gonna take my finger and put it in Indio, which is right here. I really like the Hungry Ghost, but that's not what I'm looking for today. And then we're just gonna tap, tap, tap that in the middle. Going up a little bit. Tap, tap, tap. And we're gonna get my Betty Boop eyeliner here. And just a nice little line. I'm not trying to do a wing or anything. And of course on this side I'm messing it all up because I can't see what I'm doing. Trying to fix it though. I can never get a smooth line on this side. And we're gonna get out the mascara. I'm gonna use, I'm sorry I'm sniffing a little bit today. I have gotten better from when I was sick last month, but every now and then I still have like a bit of a sniffle. So this is the Douce Pink Punk Volumizer Mascara. Just enough to get those lashes looking pretty. I don't like to go too crazy with mascara. Once in a while I do, but most of the time I have pretty long eyelashes, so at least to me they're long. Oh, a little blush. I'm gonna go with the Pixie by Petra Peach Parfait. I think that would be pretty today. I've got this e.l.f. brush here. And do we all like open our mouth when we're putting on blush? I try not to. I try to grin usually, but I don't know why, but today I'm like, yeah. Okay. Sniffles, I'm so sorry. Ink. Is this, what do I want to use today? Now I'm going to use the Winky Lux Charm Holographic Highlighter. I got this, what is it? SL Miss Glam. I started to do it like I was doing blush. I don't know why. I'm like doing the opposite for some reason of what I usually do. I stopped doing it on my nose. I feel like it's too much. Yeah, I'm going up here, which is probably too much. Who knows what's going through my head? Then we're gonna use the Do Me Rose Water Priming and Setting Mist. Scared one of the cats. They were like, oh, they thought I was gonna try and spray that. It's okay, sugar. Oh wow. I'm gonna just let that set. Isn't that pretty? Just like a little bit of glitter, you know? Okay. And I know you're all like, who's the winner? Who's the winner? I'm gonna tell you in a minute. The winner is she's known, I think, as Garzalisa. And she's fantastic. And when her name came up, I was like, yes. She's been a loyal subscriber for many years, so I think it's great that she ended up being the winner. And if you're new and you're like, oh, damn it, whatever. I don't mean whatever like whatever. I mean more of I do a giveaway every other month usually. Sometimes every month, but usually about every other month. So don't despair. If you keep watching me, there'll be another giveaway and you will have a chance of winning. I use Glean. It's completely random. I just hit draw and they draw me out a winner. And this was the winner for this one. If you weren't a winner, there are other chances in the future. And I hope that you subscribed because you enjoy my videos and not just to win something anyways. But yeah, this was my February's Valentine giveaway. The next giveaway will most likely be in the end of April. I like to do one like in the middle to the end of April. I know spring technically starts in March, but my spring one that I like to do is like at that time. Or I think this year it might be a spring giveaway, or I might call it a Beltane giveaway. We'll see. But yeah, so now I gotta pick a lippy. And I'm gonna go with my NYX Ripe Berry Butter Lipstick. I think it goes well with this look. Oh, what the? It moved on me. And I like to take the end of the lipstick and just add a little more fullness there. I don't draw my lips first. I probably should, but I'm just not that good at it. So I end up making a mess usually. So I'm actually better if I just use the lipstick and then just add like a little bit of fullness, a little bit extra fullness down there. So there you go. This is my look. I hope you liked it. And I'll be seeing you soon. And Lisa, you already know because I told you last night. And you already sent me your dress. Everything's all set. So it won't be like the last giveaway where I still wonder what happened to the original winner. They never sent anything back. No address. They never contacted me. So I had to change it to somebody else who contacted me right away, and I sent them their stuff, and they said they were very happy with it, so yay. And I hope that, Lisa, that you're very happy with this stuff too. I know you like Colourpop as well, so I hope that you enjoy this, and I can't wait to see what you do with it too, because you always make really pretty looks. So anyways, thank you guys, and I'll be talking to you all soon. Please share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and as always, be kind. Whether you're the winner or not, just be kind, okay? I love all of you. Thank you so much for being here with me. Okay. Mwah. Bye, kitty cats.